let me ask you something honestly. Has this ever happened to you? Someone speaks to you in English, maybe a coworker, a tourist, or someone online, and suddenly your brain freezes. You know the words, you studied the grammar, you practiced reading, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out.
Yes, your mind becomes empty. Your heart beats fast, and you start thinking, wait, how do I say this? Is my grammar correct? Maybe I should stay quiet.
And then the conversation ends, and later you think, oh no, I knew what to say.
You repeat the moment in your head. You imagine a better answer. You say the perfect sentence, but the moment is already gone.
If you feel like this sometimes, relax. It doesn't mean your English is bad. It means your confidence needs training.
And that's exactly what we're going to practice today. Not boring grammar, not difficult rules, but daily speaking training that slowly turns you from a shy English learner into a confident English speaker.
And the best part? You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You only need 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking practice.
So stay with us today, because by the end of this episode, you will speak more English than you did yesterday.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we learn English together, step by step, without stress.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. And today we are talking about something that almost every English learner struggles with: confidence.
Yes, many learners think, I need more vocabulary, I need better grammar, but often the real problem is fear of speaking.
Exactly. Many learners understand English very well. They watch movies, they listen to podcasts, they read books. But when someone asks you a simple question, you suddenly feel shy.
Or nervous or worried about making mistakes.
But here is something important. Confidence is not talent. Confidence is practice.
Every confident English speaker you see today started exactly where you are. Quiet, shy, afraid of mistakes.
But they kept practicing, little by little, day by day, conversation by conversation.
And today, we will show you simple exercises that help you do the same.
And remember something very important. This is not a classroom. This is just two friends talking with you. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's practice English together.
Let's start with one of the most common speaking situations: meeting someone new, maybe at work, maybe online, maybe while traveling, and they ask a simple question. Tell me about yourself.
This question makes many English learners nervous. They start thinking, what should I say? How long should my answer be?
But actually, the answer is simple. Let's show a natural conversation.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Sarah. I'm from Spain. I work as a graphic designer, and I really enjoy learning languages.
Did you notice something? Sarah didn't speak for 2 minutes. She used short sentences.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't come from long sentences. Confidence comes from clear sentences. Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. My name is...
I'm from...
I work as a...
I enjoy...
Now your turn. Imagine someone asks you, tell me about yourself. Use 3 simple sentences. Pause the video and answer. Take your time.
But here's something interesting. Most learners wait until their English is perfect before speaking.
And that's exactly why they stay shy, because speaking confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Now, let's practice something many learners struggle with: starting conversations.
Yes, answering questions is easier, but starting a conversation can feel scary.
So imagine this. You walk into a room, maybe a class, maybe a meeting, maybe a cafe. You see someone sitting alone. You smile. You say, "Hi, is this seat taken?"
No, it's free.
Great, thanks. So, are you new here?
Yes, today's my first day.
Repeat these phrases.
Is this seat taken?
Are you new here?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
How long have you been learning English?
Repeat with us. Hi, is this seat taken? Great, thank you. Are you new here? Now, imagine something. You enter a room. People are talking. You feel a little nervous, but you see someone sitting alone. You smile. You say, "Hi, is this seat taken?" And suddenly, the conversation begins.
Here's one of the most powerful speaking exercises, talking about your day.
You can do this every day, even when you are alone. Yes, you can talk to yourself, and that is actually excellent speaking practice.
Today was a busy day. I woke up early, then I had breakfast. After that, I worked on a project. In the evening, I watched a movie.
Say these sentences with us. Today was a busy day. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I worked. I relaxed in the evening.
Now, a mini challenge. Describe your day using 5 sentences. Structure: today I, then I, after that I, later I, finally I. Pause and try.
Great conversations don't happen because of long speeches. They happen because of good questions.
Exactly. When you ask questions, conversations continue. Let's practice some useful questions.
Repeat after us. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you enjoy learning English? What kind of movies do you like?
Dialogue practice. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
That's interesting.
Now, let's practice shadowing practice.
Shadowing means repeating immediately after a speaker. This helps your brain think faster in English. Let's try.
Shadowing sentences. Repeat right after Sarah.
I'm learning English every day.
Great. Next one.
Sometimes I feel shy when speaking.
But I keep practicing.
Mistakes help me improve.
Excellent work.
But here's the mistake most learners make. They only study English. They don't use English.
And language grows when you use it.
Another important skill is sharing opinions. Let's practice simple opinion phrases.
Repeat after us. I think it's interesting. I believe that's true. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. That's a good point. I think learning English online is very helpful.
Yes, I agree with you. You can learn anytime.
Now let's talk about something important. Fear. Many learners think, if I make mistakes, people will laugh. But that's usually not true.
Most people respect someone who is learning a new language because learning a language takes courage.
And remember something powerful. Every confident English speaker today was once a beginner.
Instead of saying, "My English is terrible," say, "My English is improving." Instead of saying, "I'm afraid to speak," say, "I'm learning to speak."
Here is a simple daily plan. You can do it in only 15 minutes. Step 1. Listen, 3 minutes. Watch a short English video. Step 2. Shadow, 4 minutes. Repeat sentences. Step 3. Speak alone, 4 minutes. Describe your day. Step 4. Practice phrases, 4 minutes.
Powerful daily phrases. Repeat these with us. That sounds interesting. I agree with you. I'm not sure. Let me think. That's a good question. What do you mean? Can you repeat that? That makes sense. I understand. Good idea.
Emotional moment. If you are listening right now and you feel shy about speaking English, remember something important. You are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same way.
But every time you practice, even for a few minutes, your confidence grows. Little by little, day by day, conversation by conversation.
Before we finish today, let's do one final speaking challenge. Answer these 3 questions out loud. Question 1. Where are you from? Question 2. Why are you learning English? Question 3. What is your goal in English? Take your time, speak slowly, but speak.
All right, friends, before we end today's episode, we want to ask you something. What situation makes you the most nervous when speaking English? Job interviews, meeting foreigners, talking on the phone? Write your answer in the comments.
We read your comments, and they help us create better lessons for you.
And if you enjoyed learning English with us today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who was learning English.
Because remember something powerful. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you already know.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and little by little, your English voice will become stronger.
See you in the next episode.
Happy learning, everyone!